Ihunanya Nke Chukwu analialu.
Ihunanya Nke Chukwu
Nke Chukwu
analialu.
When the world turned away,
When I had nothing left, your love remained.
I walked through valleys of uncertainty, searching for answers I could not see. The road was long, the night was cold, and fear tried to capture my soul.
Many times I stumbled and fell, many stories my tears could tell. Yet through every storm I survived, because your love kept me alive. When I was weak, you gave me strength. When I was lost, you made a way. When I felt forgotten by the world, you reminded me I was never alone.
Your mercy follows me, your grace surrounds me,
Every step of the way, every day. Ihunanya Nke Chukwu karịrị ihe mmadụ nwere ike ikwu. Ihunanya Nke Chukwu na-enwudika kpakpando n'elu igwe. When I was broken, you restored me. When I was weary, you carried me. Ihunanya Nke Chukwu analialu.
I've seen mountains move before me, I've seen doors open unexpectedly, I've seen blessings arrive in seasons when I almost gave up believing.
Your love is deeper than the ocean, stronger than the fiercest storm, higher than the tallest mountain, and warmer than the morning sun. The world may change around me, people may come and go, but one thing remains forever: your unfailing love. Ihunanya Nke Chukwu
karịrị ihe mmadụ nwere ike ikwu.
Ihunanya Nke Chukwu na-enwudika kpakpando n'elu igwe. When I was broken, you restored me. When I was weary, you carried me. Ihunanya Nke Chukwu analialu. Ihunanya Nke Chukwu
Ebube dịrị ya, gọzi ya juru ebe niile.
analialu.
If I had 10,000 tongues, it still wouldn't be enough to tell the story of your goodness or the greatness of your love.
You loved me before I knew your name. You stayed with me through every pain. You saw the best inside of me, even when I couldn't see it myself.
Your love never abandoned me, your hand never released me, your light never stopped shining through every dark season.
Who am I that you should care for me? Who am I that you should call me your own?
Yet every sunrise reminds me, every blessing confirms it, every breath declares it, I am loved by
Ihunanya Nke
God.
Chukwu karịrị ihe mmadụ nwere ike ikwu. Ihunanya Nke Chukwu Ihunanya Nke Chukwu. When the world turned away, when I had nothing left, your love remained.